Hello, my name is Tamara Girardi. I'm an English faculty member at Harrisburg Area Community College in the Virtual Learning Program. I created this video to tell you about the history of Creative Commons. Historically, copyright law has protected creations such as works of literature, music, film, art, and so on. The Constitution aimed to limit copyright so that a creator could not have an excessive amount of influence on culture. While the success of the law to meet that objective can certainly be debated, the reality is the length of time that creations are protected by copyright has been extended over the years. Specifically, in 1998, the Sonny Bono Copyright Term Extension Act, or CTEA, was enacted. This new law extended copyright by 20 years. Previously, copyright equaled the creator's life plus 50 years. But after the CTEA, copyright now equaled the creator's life plus 70 years. Interestingly, this legislation was enacted just in time to protect Walt Disney's Steamboat Willie Mickey Mouse cartoon for another 20 years. While there are certainly benefits to the existence of copyright, some people challenge the extensions, arguing that all creativity is built on previous forms of creation. In other words, if the law perpetually changes to extend copyright, then many creative works will never enter the public domain. Given the expansion of the internet right around the same time, the tensions between copyright law's restrictions and the desire from people around the world to mash up, mix, and recreate were naturally high. One person in particular who felt this way was a Stanford law professor, Lawrence Lessig. Lessig represented Eric Eldred, a web publisher, in a case that went all the way to the Supreme Court. Eldred and his colleagues relied on works in the public domain and challenged the constitutionality of the Sonny Bono Act. Eldred lost the battle, but a new opportunity arose. Lawrence Lessig founded Creative Commons to, quote, legally share knowledge and creativity to build a more equitable, accessible, and innovative world, end quote. In 2002, Creative Commons published a set of free licenses that provided creators the opportunity to share their works in flexible ways if they want to. Rather than reserving all rights, these creators can reserve some rights. Creations shared under Creative Commons licensing allow for remixing and further sharing of content the world over. The ultimate goal is a community built on open knowledge sharing, and people are eager to adopt this model and join the Creative Commons community. Creators can share writing, film, photography, and more. Since its founding, the nonprofit organization Creative Commons continues to grow. Licensing tools are integrated into YouTube, Wikipedia, OpenStax, and more. Creative Commons staff work from offices around the world, and more than 1.4 billion works feature Creative Commons licensing. To learn more about sharing your own creations, visit creativecommons.org.